Today marks 2 years since the murder of a St. Johns County father of 4, Jared Bridegan. 2 people facing charges in his death were back before a judge today. Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, and her second husband, Mario Fernandez Saldana. They were in court for a scheduling hearing. And there was a long discussion over an issue with evidence and whether the state attorney's office should stay on the case. Meantime, we are looking into what could be next in the murder for hire case. Our Cheyenne Cole spoke with our crime and safety expert to find out.
Defense teams for Jared Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, and her second husband, Mario Fernandez Saldana, want the state attorney's office's 4th Judicial Circuit removed from the murder for hire case. In court on Friday, they said prosecutors had access to attorney-client privileged communications. Prosecutors argued they did not open or view those files. First Coast News crime and safety analyst Mark Bachman says a judge will rule on that evidence.
When they do this with emails along with text messages, whatever it may be, telephone conversations, whatever you've trapped or whatever you've gleaned from that affidavit, they're going to go through great measures not to violate that, because it will get the affidavit thrown out if the defense can prove that.
Gardner's defense team says they'll file a motion to dismiss the indictment against her because of this. Bachman says investigators have to adhere to minimization requirements and electronic surveillance.
There is stipulations in an oral wire intercept, including text messaging, that there's certain conversations that you have to omit or cannot listen to.
Judge London Kite has requested an independent judge hear arguments about the evidence issue since it may involve attorney-client privileged emails.
Smart to let an independent judge review that because it keeps the record clean. It doesn't show any bias or lenience one way or the other throughout the course of the trial.
Gardner and Fernandez will be back in court on March 4th. Reporting in Jacksonville, Cheyenne Cole, First Coast News, on your side.